gotta wake up. I mean, I guess I do. Oh, I wonder when. I'm just gonna get dressed, I guess. For now, it'll be quick, I promise. But just go ahead and get that. Do that. What should I wear?
Guys, I'm sorry, my dog was in there, so don't mind
I
that
guess I'll
if
just
it's
wear
back.
this, I guess. Yeah. I mean, instead I can work and drop off the kids. That sounds reasonable, right? Okay, let's go.
California girl, unforgettable.
Hey, I'm just gonna take a what are you doing here? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to disturb you, babe.
Just leave.
Bye, I guess.
Get in here, guys.
Huh? Oh, I'm gonna get in there.